How to make money on YouTube. 7 steps to get paid. Try to make money on YouTube, and you'll likely learn that it takes hustle to get started, and there's no guarantee it will pay off. So, if you're looking to make a quick buck, you might consider other ways to make money. However, if you're already an avid video creator and are willing to put in the extra effort, you might be able to make money on YouTube. Here's what you need to know. How to get paid on YouTube. 1. Apply for the YouTube Partner Program. 2. Connect to Google AdSense. 3. Check out YouTube Premium. 4. Use product placement and video sponsorship. 5. Sell products or services to viewers. 6. Meet up with fans in the real world. 7. Turn to crowdfunding. 1. Apply for the YouTube Partner Program. What is the YouTube Partner Program? You must apply for and be accepted into the YouTube Partner Program to make money. To become a partner, you must meet the requirements. Your videos must abide by the site's advertising guidelines and have more than 4,000 valid public watch hours within the last 12 months. You must live in an eligible area. You need over 1,000 subscribers. You need to link a Google AdSense account. The more videos you have, the easier it is to reach the viewing hours threshold. High quality, entertaining videos are more likely to get views, so it pays to put effort into planning and production. Once you meet the requirements, you can apply by clicking into your profile and navigating to the monetization section. As a partner, you can earn money through ads, membership perks and features like Super Chat, which lets viewers pay to have their messages highlighted during a live stream. Through the YouTube Partner Program, you can also access the Creator Support Team. These team members can give you tips for using YouTube, guide you through copyright guidelines, help you troubleshoot issues with your account and more. 2. Connect to Google AdSense. To get approved as a partner, you need to connect your channel to Google AdSense, the company's advertising system. Advertisers use AdSense to bid for space on videos based on factors such as your audience, video topic and relevant keywords. In general, you'll be paid based on the number of impressions your videos get. That's when someone clicks on or watches an ad. Ads don't display every time someone watches a video, though, so views don't translate directly to money in the bank. Also, YouTube takes a cut of the ad revenue. It wouldn't disclose that rate. How much does YouTube pay you per view? Remember, you don't get paid per video view. Rather, you're paid for the times when someone watches or clicks on an ad shown on your video. Influencer Marketing Hub says that while payment varies, the average YouTube channel can expect to make about $18 per 1,000 ad views. That translates to $3 to $5 per 1,000 video views. How many views do you need to get paid on YouTube? So when do you start making money on YouTube? You'll be paid once your balance reaches $100. Say it takes approximately 1,000 video views to earn $4 from those viewers who saw ads. You would need 25,000 video views to make $100 through those ads. If you have a small channel, you might get paid only every few months. You may want to set aside some of that cash for taxes because Google, which issues AdSense payments, might not deduct your full tax obligation. 3. Check out YouTube Premium. AdSense isn't the only way partners can make money on YouTube. You can also make videos available on YouTube Premium, which is the site's ad-free subscription service. You'll earn a portion of the revenue from membership fees, based on how much members view your videos. 4. Use product placement and video sponsorship. Here's another way to get paid on YouTube. Companies interested in your channel's audience might sponsor your videos or offer you product placement deals in exchange for a shout-out. You'll likely receive payments on a per-sale basis or in commission tiers. Search on affiliate marketing sites such as ShareSol, ClickBank and CJ Affiliate for possible corporate partners, and be sure you're willing to vouch for the company and products you're selling before signing up. If you do have an endorsement or product placement in the video, you must notify YouTube by ticking the video contains paid promotion box in the advanced settings tab of your video manager. 5. Sell products or services to viewers. If you have merchandise or offer a service that's relevant to your audience, let them know about it and provide links in your videos. For example, Ryan Koji, star of the children's YouTube channel Ryan's World, sells toys, t-shirts and other items. Selling a physical product might require you to buy materials or find a manufacturer, but you can also sell downloadables such as ebooks or art prints. Have a secure payment system in place before you advertise your goods. 6. Meet up with fans in the real world. Meetups and similar events let YouTubers connect with viewers and sell merchandise. They are usually best suited to those with active and engaged subscribers. Those with smaller audiences might want to skip ticketed events and bank on merchandise sales instead. Or if, for example, your videos teach viewers how to draw, you could set up a free class at a local park and sell your book of drawing techniques afterward. 7. Turn to crowdfunding. There are two primary types of crowdfunding: recurring and project-based. Recurring crowdfunding lets contributors pay an amount they specify on a regular schedule. You'd want to maximize this type of funding in order to turn a channel into a substantial income stream. Incentives such as one-on-one video chats, private classes or merchandise can entice viewers to sign up. If you have an idea for a project that requires financial support, a project-based crowdfunding campaign is the way to go. Get started with sites such as Indiegogo, Kickstarter, GoFundMe or Patreon.
How YouTube ad revenue works. Most internet browsers think of YouTube as a place to waste time watching silly clips or the latest music videos. To others, it is a place to upload and share videos from concerts, a newsworthy event, or even family events with friends online. A smaller group thinks of YouTube as a central part of their online income strategy. Earning with YouTube is easy, but making big money with the platform can be a challenge. Here is how YouTube ad revenue works and how to get started making money through the platform. Enable AdSense for YouTube on your account. The first two steps in earning online revenue with YouTube is to open an account and turn on account monetization. Enabling monetization requires accepting YouTube's advertising guidelines and connecting to an AdSense account for payment. Enabling ads on your YouTube videos requires agreeing to Google's ad revenue share for YouTube. There is a 45-55 split for all content creators, so Google keeps 45% of all YouTube advertising on your videos and you get the remaining 55%. Upload a video and promote. In order to earn revenue on a video, you need to first post videos on your YouTube account. You can create and edit your videos in advance using an editing program such as Adobe Ad Premiere or Apple's Apple iMovie, or you can upload a raw video from your phone or computer and use the YouTube video editor. Once your video is online, you need people to watch it. Promote your content on social networks, to family and friends, on blogs, Tumblr, and any other possible digital outlet. More views means more money in your pocket. In 2013, the average cost per 1,000 CPM for YouTube was $7.60. CPM cost per 1,000 is an industry term that represents revenue per 1,000 views. In 2013, the average income for each YouTube content creator was $7.60 per every 1,000 views. A video with 500 views would have earned roughly $3.80. A video like Gangnam Style with 1 billion views would earn $7.8 million. Some videos earn higher or lower than average rate depending on the video content. Videos containing copyrighted music do not earn revenue for the video creator, and some topics may not attract advertisers. Others have a strong draw from advertisers and drive up the CPM. If you're having trouble getting views, try to be creative on where you share your videos. Targeting an audience with an interest in your type of content works better than trying to appeal to a general audience, so you may find better results from a Facebook FB group, subreddit, or forum about the specific topic. Also, be sure to set up your individual channel settings so if one video becomes popular, visitors can easily find related videos you've created. Get paid from AdSense. Once you link your AdSense account to your YouTube account, you will receive credit for each video's monthly revenue. Once you accumulate $100 in earnings, Google will issue a payment to your bank account. You can choose to be paid via direct deposit, not available in all countries, or check. Direct deposit is the fastest method and has no fee. If you are located in the United States and earn more than $600 per year, Google will issue a 1099 form. Either way, you are required to pay income tax on your earnings. The bottom line on earning with YouTube: individuals and businesses make millions of dollars through YouTube advertising, but there are risks to using a platform controlled by another company. Not only is there a chance that a change in Google's search algorithms could make or break video traffic, but Google also takes a hefty 45% cut of revenue from video advertising. Nevertheless, YouTube is a massive platform and is the world's second largest search engine after Google, which includes YouTube videos in search results. If the benefits of reaching YouTube's large audience and having Google handle the most labor-intensive parts of building an advertising network outweigh the costs and risks, this platform is a great resource for turning videos into cash.